As our journey concludes, we dive into the soulful heart of the city, the Jewish Quarter. Once a historic ghetto, it has transformed into Budapest's most eclectic and energetic neighborhood. At its entrance stands the Dohányi Street Synagogue, a breathtaking example of Moorish revival architecture and a powerful symbol of the city's rich Jewish heritage. In its garden, the Tree of Life Memorial honors those who lost their lives, its leaves inscribed with the names of the victims. Turning into the side streets, we find a city transformed by art. These colorful murals tell the modern stories of a district that never stops evolving. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We walk into Gosdu Udvar, a series of interconnected courtyards that serve as the district's social epicenter. By day, it's a hub for foodies and vintage hunters. By night, it's one of the liveliest spots in the city. We move on to Kazinci Street, the street of culture, where the architecture is as varied as the people who walk here. This is the birthplace of the ruin bar phenomenon, unique venues built inside the abandoned shells of 19th century buildings. We step into Simple Kurt, a surreal wonderland of mismatched furniture, vintage electronics, and overhead art. It's a maze of rooms where every corner holds a strange and beautiful surprise. More than just a bar, it's a community space that captures the resilient and creative spirit of Budapest. From the sprawling dance floors of instant fogas to hidden rooftops, the city's nightlife is a journey in itself. Hungry, the nearby street food courts offer everything from traditional goulash to modern vegan delights. The energy here is infectious, a perfect blend of the city's historic past and its vibrant future. We walk towards Diak Ferenc Square, the central meeting point where the city's 3 metro lines converge. Nearby, Fashion Street shines with high-end boutiques and elegant lighting, connecting the old with the new. We reach Vörösmarty Square, home to the famous Gerbeaud Café and the starting point of the pedestrian Váci Street. Over these 3 parts, we've walked through the history of Pest, the heights of Buda, and the culture of the Jewish Quarter. Budapest is a city that stays with you, a place of incredible beauty, complex history, and a soul that never stops shining. Thank you for joining us on this ultimate walking tour. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the Pearl of the Danube as much as we have. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the magic of the world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.